This spring, LearnShriver is starting a new program called Beanstack. Beanstack is a reading log that allows you to track your reading minutes, track your books read, write book reviews, and compete in reading challenges. To get to Beanstack, you're going to start in Clever. Then you're going to find the Beanstack app. It looks just like this. It's a yellow heart with some blue and red confetti. If you can't find it, you can click and type in the search box. When you click Beanstack, it's going to take you to your dashboard. On your dashboard, you can see some basic information like current and upcoming challenges, your profile, that type of thing. Along the top, there are some tabs. The first tab is the Challenges tab. Right now, we have two challenges running. We have the Adventure Awaits Challenge, which is the default challenge that all Beanstack schools have. That challenge is to read 10,000 minutes within a school year. The other challenge that we are just starting now is the March 24 challenge. That is running through the month of March up until spring break. If I click on one of the challenges, it will give me an overview. So for this challenge, we are challenging our scholars to read for a certain number of minutes. I can see my progress and I can see badges that I've earned. I can also go up and I can click badges and see all badges. I can see the rewards. I can look at the challenge log. The next tab over is friends. You can invite friends to be connected to you through Beanstack. So right now I've invited a few of the teachers, and if I click on one of my friends who has accepted, I can see an overview of what they've logged in Beanstack. So I can see what badges and achievements they've earned. I can see if they have any streaks, how many minutes they've read, what challenges they're working on, and I can see a list of the books that they've been reading. Next to friends is leaderboards. Leaderboards will show you either by week or by month where you are compared with your friends or compared with other people in your grade. Now, since I'm a teacher, I don't have a grade. But when scholars log in, they'll be able to see where they are with their minutes compared to the other scholars. They can also see that with books completed as well. Next to leaderboards is reviews. You can write book reviews as you're finishing books, and those will be posted here. So I can see I've written 3 reviews. And if I go to peer written reviews, I can see a list of all of the reviews that have been written by other scholars or teachers. Next to reviews is all badges. You can earn badges by completing the challenge. You can earn badges based on the number of minutes that you've logged. You can also earn achievements, and achievements are special badges. For example, you may earn an achievement just for logging on a specific day. So, for example, on February 26th, I logged my reading and I got the Tell a Fairy Tale Day badge because apparently February 26th is Tell a Fairy Tale Day. But you can also earn achievements for things like having a week-long streak, for writing your first book review, for adding a friend in Beanstack. So you earn badges and achievements for different things as you're logging in Beanstack. The final tab is the reading log. In the reading log, I can see all of the days that I have logged. You can see your streaks. You can actually go backwards and see where you started and how many days you've logged. I can also go to all reading logged, and that's going to show me all of the books that I've logged reading for. And if I click on one of the books, it will show me the dates and the number of minutes that I've logged for that specific book. And if you want to write a review, you've got Write a Review button up at the top. So you can click on that and you can put the title, author of the book, write a short book review, what it's about, what you liked, what you didn't like, who would you recommend it for, that type of thing. and then you can save that. And finally, log reading. It's the big red button on the top. This is where you're going to log your reading minutes. You can either start a reading timer. So when you start reading, you click Start Reading. The timer will run. And when you're finished reading, you click I'm done. Then it will let you log for the day. You can also go to log reading and just log minutes. So if I click that, I choose my day. So if I read on Saturday the 2nd, I can click that day and I can backlog. I can type the title of the book. If I was reading Harry Potter, I can type in Harry Potter. It's going to pull up all the Harry Potter books. Scroll through and find the one I was reading. It will pull in the author's name. Then underneath, I put the time spent. So if I was reading for 42 minutes, I put 42M, and it will put in that 42 minutes for me. If I finish the book, I can click Finished. If not, I can turn that back off. And then again, it gives me the option of whether or not I want to write a review for that book. Click Log Reading, and it will store all the minutes that you've read. Then you'll be able to go back into your reading log and you'll see that book there. Scholars can log minutes for any independent reading that they do. They can log minutes for reading at school. They can log minutes for reading at home. Scholars can log minutes if parents read to them. Scholars can log minutes if their teacher reads to them. Scholars can log minutes if an older sibling or a younger sibling is reading to them. Any reading that you do, you can log in Beanstack. We're really excited to be starting up with Beanstack. We're hoping that all of our scholars, kindergarten through 8th grade, are in there logging their minutes every day and that you're working towards meeting your challenge. Have fun reading and good luck.